I'm Alankrita Sahai, a financial analyst by profession and a mother of a 5-year-old. We were having our usual discussions on WhatsApp when someone spoke about the amount of chemicals present in daily products. That really sparked a conversation which got me thinking. Some 2-3 days later, Sheetal tagged all of us on this post on Facebook to receive some sort of a free special package on Mother's Day. So I was like, cool. Next thing I knew, the package arrived at my place. And with it came a letter asking me to try the product out, and guess what's in it? Easy. My family absolutely loved the fragrance of the soaps and hand wash. But as far as the What's in It challenge goes, I really didn't have an answer. I mean, of course, it's a soap, so it has chemicals, perfumes and coloring, but it felt so mild, natural and pure. So I tagged my work friends also. Maybe they had a better answer. Some days passed and I realized that the challenge had become a rage. Posts of the challenge were everywhere. Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, even Instagram and YouTube, all over the internet. People were coming up with all sorts of suggestions. Someone actually said the product has milk. Milk! I mean, come on. By now, I had decided what my 3 guesses were. Parabens, because it's there in most soaps. Perfume, thanks to that jasmine smell my daughter loved by now. And obviously, some sort of artificial white dye. But to my surprise, all my guesses went into the not in it category. My office colleagues had started guessing the brand behind this by now. I was clear about that part at least. This had to be a new international brand. It felt so gentle, natural, and had a lovely fragrance. And one fine day, we got a message asking us to log on to the Facebook page for a live reveal of what's in it. We logged in and were looking forward to finally learning the answers.
In an unprecedented move, Dettol went to 800 plus moms like you and me to ask us what would be our ideal product. And we moms got to action. No parabens, no harsh residues, and no unnecessary colors and dye. Minimal chemicals, but not at the cost of protection. And that's what's led to our ideal personal care product. Presenting Dettol, co-created with moms.
Dettol co-created with moms. This was unprecedented. I was blown away with all the lack of chemicals and harshness, and the added protection of Dettol made this the perfect product. Plus, all ingredients were 100% approved by moms like me. Truly, only mothers could think of such a solution. Today, my entire house uses Dettol co-created with moms, including my husband. The product is not only different, but a revelation. No dyes, no artificial colors, and no harsh residues. All this with Dettol's protection. खाना खाया? हाथ धोया? Really, what more could a mother have asked for?